Hello, I'm Matt Smith, and this is Kent Waldeck. We are with FS Curtis Air Compressors, and we are here today at our factory in St. Louis, Missouri to talk to you about which compressor technology, reciprocating or rotary, is right for your application. I'm going to start out by talking a little bit about reciprocating technology. First of all, reciprocating technology is great for the majority of applications. Some of the strengths of reciprocating technology is that it's a proven technology which has been around for a long time. We at FS Curtis have been manufacturing reciprocating compressors here in St. Louis since 1897. Second, reciprocating technology is a lower cost technology than rotary screw. Typically, savings are in the 30 to 50% range for a reciprocating compressor versus a rotary screw compressor. Next, the reciprocating compressor features easy maintenance and generally lower cost consumables than a rotary screw compressor. Additionally, reciprocating compressors run well in dirty environments, and they can even be placed in sheltered outdoor environments. And finally, reciprocating compressors can be oversized, even up to a duplex type of a compressor, without some of the risks associated with oversizing a rotary screw compressor. Now, let's talk about some of the downsides of reciprocating technology. First of all, reciprocating technology is loud. You guys have been around reciprocating compressors, and they're extremely loud. Second, reciprocating compressors have high oil carryover, generally up to 50 parts per million, somewhere between 10 and 50 parts per million, compared to an average of 3 to 8 parts per million with rotary. And they also have very high temperatures at discharge unless you use an aftercooler. And then finally, even though a lot of reciprocating compressors advertise 100% continuous duty cycle and are actually rated at 100% continuous duty cycle, the typical rule of thumb with a reciprocating compressor is that if you're going to run it for 45 minutes, you should let it rest for 15 minutes, a 75-25 duty cycle, in order to ensure optimal pump life with reciprocating technology. And now I'm going to turn it over to Kent to talk about rotary technology.
Thanks, Matt. There are many great advantages to rotary screw air compressors. This is not a new technology to be intimidated by. Rotary screw compressors have been around for decades, and just recently have they become more affordable for the average shop owner. Rotary screw compressors can run 100% continuous duty. This means they can run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. They also provide clean, dry air with less than 3 parts per million oil carryover, which is great for painting applications and other critical air quality applications. They're also very, very quiet. Rotary screws are about, in some cases, as loud as an average dishwasher. That means that we could sit here and have this conversation while a rotary screw compressor would be running right behind me. Also, they last a very long time, up to 10 times longer than a recip compressor. Some of the things you'll want to watch out for with rotary screw technology is that they are more expensive than recips, as Matt mentioned. But you got to weigh that into the life that the compressor will last. Also, maintenance is more critical. Rotary screw compressors require a little bit more maintenance attention than recip compressors, and the maintenance might not be as familiar as it is with recip technology. Also, there is risk in oversizing these units, where you could oversize a recip compressor and grow into that compressor as your business grows. You would want to be very careful with rotary screw compressors doing that, because with a lower duty cycle, there are problems that can occur with a rotary screw compressor. And lastly, these compressors require a little bit of a cleaner environment. You wouldn't want to place these outdoors. You wouldn't want to place them in high, humid, dusty environments. They need a relatively clean environment for optimal performance.
Thanks, Kent. We hope that the guidelines that we provided have helped you to better understand which compressor technology is right for you, reciprocating or rotary. But if you still have questions, we encourage you to reach out to a trusted and dependable authorized FS Curtis distributor to help properly size and select the right technology, especially if you think that you might need a rotary screw compressor.